how to make an old Android phone run faster. I'm going to show you how you can reduce unnecessary animations on your Android smartphone to make the interface feel faster and potentially improve battery life. So to get started, open your phone settings, find About Phone. Depending on your device, you may need to open software information to find an option called build number or build version. Next, tap on the build number 7 times in a row. Once you've done this, you should see a message confirming that developer mode has been enabled. After that, go back to the main settings menu and look for developer options. If you don't see it, use the search function in settings to find it. Once you're inside developer options, scroll through the settings and find window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Next, open each of these three settings and change them to animation off. This removes the interface animations so your phone can switch between screens more quickly instead of displaying the transition effects. After you've changed all three settings, move between different screens on your phone and check whether the interface feels more responsive. If turning the animations completely off causes any visual glitches or feels too abrupt, go back into these settings and change each option to 0.5x instead. Finally, if the changes don't appear to take effect immediately, restart your phone and check the performance again.